In this video, I will tell you how to fix problems related to shinput1_3.dll, DirectX errors, and games or programs that refuse to launch because of missing system components on Windows. The first thing you should do is open the Windows search bar and type Turn Windows Features on or off, then open the settings window that appears. Inside this menu, make sure both options are enabled, which are .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. If one of them is disabled, enable it and confirm the changes. Windows may need a moment to install the required files automatically. After that, open File Explorer and go to your C drive, then open the Windows folder and go into System32. Scroll all the way down until you find the file called shinput1_3.dll. Once you find it, delete the file. After doing that, go back one folder to the main Windows directory again and open the syswo64 folder. Inside there, once again find the same file called shinput1_3.dll and delete it there as well. The next step is reinstalling DirectX properly. Open your browser, go to the official Microsoft website, download DirectX, and install it normally. This will restore missing or corrupted DirectX files automatically and replace broken DLL files with fresh versions. Once the installation finishes, open Settings, then go to Windows Update on the lower left side and make sure your system is fully updated. If updates are available, install all of them because missing Windows updates can sometimes cause DirectX and DLL problems too. After everything is finished, restart your computer and try launching the game or application again. In many cases, this completely fixes shinput1_3.dll errors and other DirectX-related launch problems. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.